Hey everybody, Terry here. We're going to do a little test of the, I've got the Sena 30K in my helmet. I also received today the Sena SP10 audio pack. It's actually, the audio pack is on my GoPro, which is on the bike. The reason for that is to actually record my voice without being physically attached to the GoPro, no wires. So I'm going to go ahead and take a little, trip over to my parents' house. So I've got the, I got the visor up, the clear visor up. We're going to see how well this does. Again, I have the GoPro monitor where I usually have the get up, get to camera. It's on the front of the bike. Again, being Bluetooth, I can have this camera mounted anywhere. But I have noticed the GP10, I don't know if it's an issue with the GP10 or if it's just the Sena itself, but I noticed the audio is not very loud, so I'm going to have to do some post-production boost on the audio. So I have my, with my GoPro, I have a remote, so I know the GoPro is taking video. It gives me an indication it's recording, and I assume it's also picking up the audio. So kind of heading out of my allotment, kind of the back way a little bit. We're going to head over to my parents' house. I'm fortunate that my parents live about 2 or 3 miles away. That could be good or bad, you know. I mean, with them being that close, you can see them all the time. Of course, with them being that close, they usually call me over to do a lot of things. So, all right, feels good to get on the FGR. I'm actually, I'm riding with, I've got a pair of shorts on and sandals. So good thing you guys aren't seeing how I'm dressed, but just going to do a short little, again, this is going to just be a short little test video. I may also try to talk with my my visor down. I have the clear shield up right now, so just kind of, again, doing a little test. I noticed, again, with the shield down, I get, sounds like a box effect. Sounds like I'm talking in a box, but I just want to see if there's, if this picks up any wind. So, my parents and I, we live on either side of Lake Cable, and I'm on the west side of Lake Cable, and my parents are on the east side of Lake Cable. So, I'm using a GoPro Hero 4. I purchased about a year ago my Hero 3 Plus. My daughters bought me. It just shit out. It crapped out. Very disappointed in it. You know, I have about 7 or 8 action cams, but when it comes to overall quality, you just can't. You get what you pay for. You just cannot beat the GoPro when it comes to the quality of the image. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and, okay, now I have my face shield down, so I am totally covered up here. Just want to see how the audio is sounding. Got to watch our speed here. It's 25 miles an hour, so. You got some to my right. You've got some homes that can run in the $1 million range, believe it or not. Some of these homes down here are in excess of $1 million because they're on the lake, which I kind of question Lake Cable being a lake. It's not very big. But so anyway, we're going to go down here, take a visit to my parents, actually just to the house. I don't really want to stop and talk. All right, let's kind of move here a little bit. Again, with the new tire in the back, she's just very nice and smooth in the turns. All right. Okay. Again, I am talking with the visor down. I'm going to compare the two audio. Folks, here's a guy virtually across the street from my parents. I'm going to go ahead and kind of point this guy has done so much updating on that house, it's ridiculous. All he does is add on to it. Eventually, he won't have a yard. His whole yard will be. Anyway, this is my parents' home. They've lived there, about 30 years, I guess. I'm going to go ahead and just swing around here. And that's it. That's going to be our test of the GoPro and the Sena SP10, the audio Bluetooth. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this video off, and I'll post it tonight.